And now you're tuned into Kirby's Garage. Alright, welcome back to Kirby's Garage. Today, I'm going to be reviewing my impact wrench that I've used a lot of times and it works great. It's from Harbor Freight and it's a 1/2-inch drive. It does reverse and forwards, of course. It's 20 volts. It's the Earthquake XT, and it's the 1/2-inch drive. And this is the Earthquake XT battery. It's 20 volts, 4.0 amps max, limit-eye battery. The cool thing about the Harbor Freight batteries is that, I don't know if you can see that, but it has LED lights to tell you how charged the battery is. So just like any impact, it slides on. And if you didn't know, if I haven't said already, it's from Harbor Freight. I'm going to be using a Pittsburgh 7/8 for the wheels, lug nuts. I'm going to test it out here for you. So let's bring you over here. Alright, now we got the camera adjusted, I believe. Let's take a look. Actually, you know what? Let's see if I can do it this way. It's not really good lighting. All right, now we got the camera adjusted. Let's see how this works. Just put it on like so, and like butter. Comes right off. I'm going to do this with one hand, so sorry if it moves. Just like butter. And of course, putting on is the exact same thing. You should always go by hand first when you're doing lug nuts or any kind of bolts. Always hand tighten it before using the impact. And try not to over tighten. There you go. All right. And I think this is an awesome tool. The price should be right here or somewhere on the screen. Because I don't remember what I paid for it, so I have to look it up. But this is an awesome tool. I would compare this to any DeWalt or any of the big brands battery for half the price. You don't have to have the best tools out there to work on cars or on anything, motorcycle, cars, whatever. Harbor Freight tools will do the job, and they'll do the job really good. Now, if you're a full-time mechanic and you do it, 16-hour days, and you're always using the tool, it's always best to get a better quality too. But for the price and money, this is what I go with. And I wrench pretty hard and all that, so when I get time. So thanks for tuning in to this quick review. And like always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to it. It helps me out. Thanks. And share with your friends. Thanks.